Welcome student in fourth session from your textbook chapter number 12 sound. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the speed of sound, sonic boom, reflection of sound, application of reflection of sound and echo. So today we are going to discuss about the reverberation. Okay. So reverberation means what in Hindi? Pratidhwani. If a sound is made in a big hall. The sound wave are reflected repeatedly from the walls, ceiling and floor of the hall and produce many echoes. मीन्स जब आप बिग हॉल में अगर बोलते हैं ओके रिपीटेड रिफ्लेक्टेड होती है फ्रॉम द वॉल सीलिंग एंड फ्लोर of the hall and produce many echo sounds. Okay, so the echo time is however so short that the many echoes overlap with the original sound. Means वो क्या होते हैं overlapping start हो जाती है. So due to this the original sound seems to be prolonged. फिर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ओरिजिनल जो साउंड है इट इज मीन्स प्रोलॉन्ग so and last for a longer time. In other words, a sound made in a big hall persist or means last for a longer time. Okay, so that is called the reverberation, means that pratidhwani. Okay, so the persistence of sound, persistent means for long time. Okay, persistence of sound in a big hall due to repeated reflection from the walls, ceiling and floor of the hall is called the reverberation. Short reverberation is desirable in a concert hall where music is being played. Okay, because it gives life to sound and boosts the sound level. But if the reverberation is too long, अगर reverberation बहुत long होता है, then the sound becomes blurred. फिर कैसा साउंड आने लगता है ब्लड मीन्स धीमा और मीन्स कंफ्यूजिंग साउंड जैसा लगता है ओके and distorted, confusing and due to overlapping of different sound. Okay, means that reverberation if too long, अगर reverberation बहुत ज़्यादा long होगा तो sound जो उससे जो reflecting जो sound है वो blur होते जाएगा, confusing sound लगता है. Okay, so modern concert hall are designed for the optimum amount of reverberation. Methods used for the reducing excessive reverberation in big halls and auditorium. तो इसके लिए मेथड्स फॉलो की गई. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट पैनल्स मेड ऑफ साउंड एब्सॉर्बिंग मटेरियल मीन जो साउंड को एब्सॉर्ब करते लाइक कंप्रेस्ड फाइबर बोर्ड और फेल्ट ओके आर पुट ऑन द वॉल्स एंड सीलिंग ऑफ ए बिग हॉल्स एंड ऑडिटोरियम्स टू रिड्यूस reverberation. Okay, second, carpets are put on the floor to absorb sound and reduce okay, मतलब वहाँ पे कारपेट बिछा दिया जाता है. कारपेट्स आर पुट ऑन द फ्लोर्स टू एब्सॉर्ब साउंड रिड्यूस रिवर्बेशंस. ओके, थर्ड, हेवी कर्टन्स आर पुट ऑन डोर्स एंड विंडोज टू एब्सॉर्ब एंड रिड्यूस द रिवर्बेशन. ओके, मीन्स कर्टन्स लगा दिए जाते हैं जिससे वो साउंड एब्सॉर्ब कर सके. नेक्स्ट, द मटेरियल हैविंग साउंड एब्सॉर्बिंग प्रॉपर्टीज इज यूज फॉर मेकिंग द सीट्स इन ए बिग हॉल or auditorium to reduce the soft and porous materials are bad reflector of sound. Okay, so the soft and porous material are actually a good absorber of the sound. means जो soft and porous material होता है वो bad reflector होता है, वो बार बार reflect नहीं करता. okay, means smoothly उसमें reflection नहीं होता है. so that's why soft and porous material are actually good absorber. तो वो क्या करते हैं sound को absorb करते हैं और फिर reverberation को reduce किया जा सकता है. For example, the materials like curtains and carpet are bad reflector of sound, but they are good absorber of sound. So the bad reflector of sound do not give good echo of the sound falling on them. So they absorb the sound and hence muffle. Muffle means that silence. Okay, the sound falling on them. So we can hear more clearly in a room having curtain because curtain are bad reflector of sound. So the curtain absorb most of the sound falling on them and hence do not produce echo. Okay, इसका आपने देखा होगा एक एग्जाम्पल. जैसे नया घर रहता है, जब अपन वहाँ बोलते हैं तो कैसे आवाज गूंजती है, ईगो प्रोड्यूस होता है. फिर जैसे वहाँ पे फर्नीचर, सोफा सेट, ओके, कारपेट, कर्टन और ये सब चीजें रख दिए जाते हैं तो फिर इतनी मीन्स उसमें इको प्रोड्यूस नहीं होती. क्यों नहीं होती? क्योंकि ये सब क्या करते हैं, साउंड को एब्सॉर्ब कर देते हैं. ओके, so in a room without curtain there is a greater reflection of sound, so due to which some echoes are produced. So these echo cause a hindrance to hearing, means वो hearing capacity में means problem create करते हैं. So in addition to curtains, carpet and sofa set in our rooms also reduce the formation of echoes by absorbing sound wave. Okay, so we conclude that some of the sound absorbing material or object which make our big rooms less echo okay, are curtain, carpet and sofa set. Clear? Next, the frequency range of hearing in humans means किस range की hearing capacity होती है humans की. So the sound produced in our environment have many different frequencies. Okay, the sound of all the frequencies cannot be heard by the human being. For example, if the frequency of a sound is less than 20 hertz, it cannot be heard by human beings. Okay, means अगर कम होगी तो भी आप नहीं सुन सकते हो. And if the frequency of a sound is greater than 20,000 hertz, even then it cannot be heard by the human beings. Thus, a human ear cannot hear sound of frequency less than 20 hertz and more than 20,000 hertz. So the human ear can hear a sound having frequency 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. The range of frequency from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz is known as frequency range of hearing in human. Okay, so 20 hertz, the hertz it is a unit of that frequency. The sound which we are able to hear is called the audible sound. You can also say that audible range of sound frequency for human ear is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Sound of frequencies lower than 20 hertz are known as infrasonic sounds. Infrasonic sounds are very low frequency sound. So infrasonic sound cannot be heard by human beings. Infrasonic sound are produced by those objects which vibrate very slowly. For example, a vibrating simple pendulum produces infrasonic sound. So we can not hear the sound of vibrating simple pendulum because it vibrates with a frequency less than 20 hertz. Earthquake and that some animals like whale, elephants and rhinoceros also produce infrasonic sound. The sounds of frequencies higher than 20,000 hertz are known as sound or ultrasonic sound. Okay, that ultrasonic sound cannot be heard by human being. So thus the ultrasonic sounds are very high frequency sound. Okay, so that's why it cannot be heard by the human beings. So though that human beings cannot hear ultrasonic sound, but dogs can hear the ultrasonic sound of frequency up to 50,000 hertz. So this is the reason why dogs are used for detective works by the police. Bats, monkey, deer, cats, dolphin or porpoise and leopard can also hear the ultrasonic sound. So bat can hear ultrasonic screaming. Okay, so we cannot hear the scream of a bat because it screams consists of ultrasonic sound having a frequency much higher than 20,000 hertz. Now ultrasound. Okay, so the sounds having too high frequency which cannot be heard by human beings are called the ultrasonic sound or ultrasound. So the sound having frequency greater than 20,000 hertz are called the ultrasound. And for example, a sound frequency 1 lakh hertz is an ultrasound. Ultrasound is reflected just like ordinary sound wave and produce echo. Okay, तो ये भी ordinary sound की जैसे reflect करता है and produce the echo. So but the echo produced by ultrasound cannot be heard by our ear. So they can only be detected by special equipment. Okay, so due to its very high frequency, ultrasound has a much greater penetrating power than the ordinary sound. Means इसमें इसकी frequency बहुत ज़्यादा होती है तो इसमें penetrating power होता है to insert in anything. Okay, like that. So it can be used to detect object under the sea and organ inside the human body. It means इसकी greater penetrating means insert. Okay, so that penetrating power के कारण ही इसमें अंडर द सी कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट है तो उसको भी डिटेक्ट करने में और इवन दैट ऑर्गन इनसाइड द ह्यूमन बॉडी उसकी भी मीन्स क्लियर डिटेक्शन के लिए यूज किया जाता है. ओके, दीज डेज अल्ट्रासाउंड इज यूज फॉर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पर्पसेस. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ अल्ट्रासाउंड. द अल्ट्रासाउंड वेव आर हाई एनर्जी साउंड वेव. So they travel in straight line without bending around the corners. So ultrasound wave have a very high frequency due to which they can penetrate into matter to a large extent. Okay, so because of these properties, ultrasound is used extensively in industry and in hospital for medical purpose. Ultrasound is used in industry for detecting flaws in metal blocks without damaging them. Means flaws means that क्रैक रहता है, कोई डिफेक्ट रहता है तो उसे कहते हैं. ओके, या कोई होल्स रहता है तो metal blocks are used in construction of big structure like building, bridges, machine and scientific equipment. So there may be some flaws or defects at the metal blocks which are invisible from outside. These flaws weaken metal blocks. So thus use of such metal blocks having internal crack, other defect reduce the strength of structure to be created. So that's why so this ultrasound can be used in that industries. Okay, sound is used in industry to clean hard, to reach parts of objects such as spiral tubes, odd-shaped machine and electronic components. Object is to be clean is placed in a cleaning solution and ultrasound wave are passed means to the solution. फिर उसमें ultrasound wave को पास किया जाता है. So due to their high frequency, the ultrasound wave stir up the cleaning solution. तो उसको high frequency की वजह से उसको पूरा mix कर देती, हिला देती. So cleaning solution, because of stirring, the particles of dust and grease sticking to the dirty object vibrate too much, so become loose and get detached from the object and fall into the solution. So the object gets cleaned thoroughly. Clear this one? Now next, sound used to investigate the internal organs of the human body such as liver, gallbladder, pancreas, kidney, uterus and heart, etc. Sound is being used increasingly in medical and surgical diagnosis in the hospitals. So ultrasound wave are used to investigate the organs which are inside the human body. Okay, so ultrasound help us to see inside the human body by giving pictures of inner organ. Means उसके अल्ट्रासाउंड के थ्रू मीन्स बॉडी के इनर साइड में जो अपन इंटरनल ऑर्गन जो अपन बाहर से नहीं देख सकते, तो वो ऑर्गन्स में कुछ डैमेजेस है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ डिफेक्ट है, तो वो इसके थ्रू अपन देख सकते हैं. टेक्निक ऑब्टेनिंग पिक्चर्स ऑफ इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी बाय यूजिंग इको ऑफ अल्ट्रासाउंड पल्सेस इज कॉल्ड द अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफी. तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफी. तो नेक्स्ट, ultrasound scan are used to monitor the development of fetus inside. Okay, fetus means that unborn baby. The fetus means sound scanner transmit ultrasound into mother's body and receive echo formed by the reflection of ultrasound from inside. So the ultrasound echo from a picture of developing baby on a monitor. Okay, monitor पे स्क्रीन पे दिखाया था उसका डेवलपमेंट, which helps the doctor to keep a track of the developing baby. So thus ultrasonography is used for the examination of fetus means unborn baby during pregnancy to detect any growth abnormalities. Okay, during pregnancy to detect any growth abnormality, और में कुछ भी डिफेक्ट कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो उसका वो ट्रीटमेंट कर सकते हैं. Clear this one? Sound is used to break kidney stone into fine grains. Okay, means which then can flushed out with urine. So some tiny stones develop in the kidney of a patient which are very painful. means kidney में जो stone हो जाते हैं. Okay, so such patient can be treated with ultrasound. तो ultrasound के through उससे means stone को वहाँ break कर जाता है fine grain और फिर वो flush के through clear हो जाते हैं. Okay, so when high frequency ultrasound wave are directed on the stones in the kidney, the strong ultrasound vibrations shake the stone so much that they ultimately break into the fine grains. So these fine grains of stone are so small that they pass out from kidney along with urine and the patient gets relief from pain. Next one, that ultrasound is used in sonar apparatus to measure the depth of sea. means ये sonar technique होती है that we will study further. सो इसके थ्रू डेप्थ ऑफ द सी उसकी मेजर की कितना डेप्थ है सी में वो उससे पता कर सकते हैं. टू लोकेट अंडर सी ऑब्जेक्ट और लाइक सोल ऑफ फिश, सबमराइंस एंड सी रॉक्स इन द सी, और ये सब जो ऑब्जेक्ट है जो सी में रहते हैं तो वो भी लोकेट कर सकते हैं इसके थ्रू. क्लियर दिस वन? नाउ नेक्स्ट, बैट्स यूज अल्ट्रासाउंड टू फ्लाई एट नाइट एंड टू सर्च देयर प्रे. Okay, so in nature the principle of sonar is used by bats for avoiding obstacle in their path and locating prey, and while flying at night. So bats are nearly blind. Bats कैसे रहते हैं? nearly blind रहते हैं. Okay, so the method used by some animals like bats, porpoise and dolphins to locate the object, means उनके जो शिकार रहते हैं जिसको वो मीन्स इट करते, कैप्चर करते, तो वो इसी टेक्निक को मीन्स अल्ट्रासाउंड को यूज करते. ओके, तो टू लोकेट द ऑब्जेक्ट बाय हियरिंग द इकोज ऑफ देयर अल्ट्रासोनिक स्क्वीक इज कॉल्ड द इको लोकेशन.